Banh Khot has its roots in the southern region of Vietnam, specifically in Vũng Tàu. It is believed to have been influenced by the French dish galette. What makes Banh Khot special is its unique combination of flavors and textures. The crispy outer layer, made from rice flour and coconut milk, pairs perfectly with the savory shrimp. It's a delightful bite-sized treat that captures the essence of Vietnamese cuisine. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be showing you guys how to make Banh Khot. To get started, we will need the following ingredients. 1 bag of bun cell mix, 4 1/4 cups of water, turmeric powder, vegetable oil, 1 pound 1620 shrimp, oyster sauce, sugar, 3 cloves garlic minced, green leaf lettuce, mint leaves, nước mắm dipping sauce. This is optional and for garnish, microgreens, masago, red tobacco. Now we will marinate our shrimp with minced garlic, oyster sauce, and sugar. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now we will prepare our bun cell batter in a mixing bowl. Add the bun cell mix and pour it in the water. Give it a really good whisk until it becomes liquid. And don't forget the turmeric powder, like I almost did. Now set the batter aside for 30 minutes before use. Be sure to stir the batter before transferring it into a squeeze bottle. If you don't have one, it's okay. Use a small ladle. Now it's time to saute our shrimps. Set the flame to high heat and add oil to the pan. Place the shrimp into the pan. Flip the shrimp after about a minute or when you see a little char. Then add butter and let it cook for about another minute. Remove and set aside when done. Let's take a moment to look at the beautiful, slightly charred sautéed shrimp. Now it's time to cook our Banh Khot. Set the flame to high and add in the vegetable oil to each slot. And then add in the bun cell batter just like so. Then, place the shrimp on top of each slot. Close the lid so the batter can cook thoroughly on the inside for about 30 seconds. Remove the Banh Khot from the pan when it easily comes off just like this. Look at that perfect bottom crisp. Now on to garnishing. It's optional, you don't need to, but I personally think garnishing will make this dish more aesthetically pleasing and vibrant to the eyes. It will look good and taste good. Now that we're done, it's time to taste test. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try it. This is actually our first time making it, so I'll be real about it too if I don't like it. What a bit. What do you think? It's good, but I'm about to choke on this spicy sauce.
That was scrumptious.
Oh, I forgot to mention about how to make this fish sauce. If you don't know how to make it, go back to our previous videos. I have a tutorial on it. You want it with lettuce or you want to eat it by itself? Because it's bite size.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick the crispiest one. I think I want to make note. Okay, this one's the crispiest. Cheers. It's basically a bun sail, but in this form. You hear that, Chris? Thank you for watching our channel today. If you like what you see, please press the like and subscribe button for future updates. And be sure to check out our Amazon store because I have the pans that I use to make Banh Khot in there, and I'll leave it in the link below. You say anything?
Thank you for watching.
Bye.